If you're tired of distractions and searching for the best noise-canceling headphones for 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is your ultimate solution. Prepare to dive into pure audio bliss. These headphones offer industry-leading noise cancellation that truly silences the world around you, perfect for travel or focused work. Imagine silencing bustling commutes or noisy open offices at the flick of a switch. That's the magic the XM5s deliver. And with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your soundtrack never has to stop, whether you're on a transatlantic flight or multiple back-to-back work calls. No more battery anxiety, just pure, uninterrupted listening pleasure for days on end. What truly sets these apart for busy individuals is the multi-point connection capability, allowing seamless switching between your laptop and phone without repairing. This means you can instantly go from a video call on your computer to answering a phone call, all while keeping your headphones on. For those looking to invest in premium sound and unparalleled peace, these are definitely worth the purchase. Ready to experience the quiet revolution? You can find the best deals on the Sony WH-1000XM5 right now by clicking the Amazon link in our description below. Seriously, if you want the best electronics 2025 has to offer for your ears, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an absolute game changer and our top recommendation.